Hey dear coder, welcome back to AI Coder. In this video tutorial, I will tell you how we can create YouTube title generator tool using Django and Google Generative AI. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So I'll go to the terminal and install this library, Django and Google Generative AI. So you can see it's installing now. So you can see my requirements already satisfied. If you haven't installed before, so go and install this packages. Now it's time to create a Django project. Django dash admin start project, and I will give the name of project YT. Do you mean KKK Django dash admin start project YT. So you can see I have created a project with the name of YT. Now I will go within my project directory CD and YT, and inside the project directory I will create my app. So to create app, I will type this command Django dash admin start app1. So you can see guys, I have created a project, and within the project I have created a app directory. Inside the app directory we have views, models, apps.py file, and this is the setting.py file. I mean, this is our project directory, root directory. So now I'll go to the setting.py file and I will configure my application. So column app1. Now I'll go my in project directory, root directory. Inside the project root directory I will create a folder with the name of template folder, and I will register here the template, this dir comma templates. And within the urls.py file we will configure our app URLs. So now we don't have the urls.py file in our app directory, so let's create url.py. So you can see this is our views.py file. So for this project I have created a complete blogs, and I have written here step by step that how you can build a YouTube title generator tool using Django. So I have just registered our application in the surrender.py file. Now it's time to copy this, and I'll go to my views.py file and paste it over here. Okay. And now we will create urls.py file and paste this URLs in urls.py file. So you can say just now I have created a urls.py file in the app directory. So make sure you have to create a urls.py file in the app directory and paste here the urls.py file. And now this is the templates title.html. So in the template directory we have to create a title.html, generate title.html file. So let's go within the template directory, create a file generate.html. So I'll copy this all HTML file and paste it over here. So you can see we have pasted HTML code. Now it's time to generate AI Studio API key photo to generate. So now we will go to the AI Studio, Google AI Studio, Google AI Studio, we will generate API key from here. Gemini API. Loading. Yeah. So guys, from here you can get an API key you can create. So just get an API key from here. So already I have created API key. I'll copy this API key and paste it to views.py file here. We have to paste Gemini AI API key. So we have done everything. We have just selected the views.py file, us.py file, and also generate title.html. So now it's time to run the server. So just go to the terminal and start server. Python manage.py run server. So yay, our server is started, and now I'll just locate to our server. So guys, you can see that the Django has installed in our system successfully. So now it's time to configure our app. So we will go to the project directory in urls.py file. So make sure you have to go to the project URLs, and inside the project URLs you have to configure here your app's URLs in your app directory URLs. So I'll just do that, and I'll import here comma, include, and you have to replace with your actual app name. So my app name is app1. App1. So now when I do the control S, so it's refresh and I follow the link. So you can see, boom, a YouTube data generator is ready to work. So now I'll just give a prompt here. So Django for beginners, and I'll just click on the generate button. So guys, you can see that here is some catchy YouTube video titles generated by Gemini AI API key for Django for beginners. So this is a short and sweet title. So Django for beginners, the ultimate guide. This is benefit and oriented. Build your first website with the Django. So you can see it has created a perfect YouTube titles, and also it's a copy button. From here you can do the copies to the clipboard. So guys, I hope you like this project, and if you want to create a more advanced, so you can just, as much as you can make it more advanced. You can also add here keyword, tone, and target audience to whom you want to target the title. So I hope you like this video, and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. So guys, also I have created a step-by-step blog, and go and visit and copy complete code there.